can see this adapter is actually using to run the Arduino system. Okay, this system is running by this and smart system, and all load is running on this bigger adapter. Okay, remember both of the adapters are 12 volt, and sorry, this one is a 6 volt and this is 12 volt. Okay, and one important thing I forgot to tell you that you can see this converter is used to control your window speed. Okay, by wearing this this pot, you can see this is here is a blue pot. You can rotate your speed, rotate it, and can control window speed. Okay, if you want to slowly turn on and off the window, you can adjust this blue pot. You can see just turn on, rotate it, and your window speed will control. Okay, and here you can see it is a real time clock module. Okay, I will explain you. It is to control the speed of window, and it is actually the motor controller circuit. It is responsible to rotate your motor in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Okay, and it is LCD, so 20x4, remember, and it is our control panel. Okay, using these buttons, as you know, we will control all the appliances. It is a fan or AC, I can see, and this is a bulb. So let us turn off this bulb, and here is the relay, and here is a MOSFET to drive the LED slowly to turn on and off. Slowly we are using this MOSFET in PWM mode, and here our Arduino Nano. Okay, and here is our relay, and all the glues are connected properly. Okay, using the glue adhesive. Hello everyone, other students. So your project is ready now, and I am shooting this video for the demonstration purpose only. So you can see your project is currently on now, and the power supply is connected here. This adapter is used to run this lamp, okay, and this fan, and also this window. Okay, motor of window, you can see. So motor is connected through this red wire. You can see above. Okay, and here is our limit switch for lower side, and this limit switch was for, you can see this one is for upper side. Okay, and you can see on the display. So to show your names, yeah, I will again start this project. So I will press this reset button. So you can see automation based smart alarm clock, and your student's name is coming. Okay, then you can see it is actually currently in manual mode. Okay, manual mode, and in manual mode we can control fan, lamp, and window manually using these switches. Okay, so you can see fan is on now. You can see I will press this button. To control the fan, we will need to press these buttons. Okay, so you can see fan has turned off. You can see fan is off now. Okay, and currently lamp is off. So to control the lamp, we will need to use these switches. Okay, so to turn on this lamp, you will press this switch. So you can see lamp is turning on slowly. Okay, gradually increasing the brightness. You can also see it is the brightness of the LED. Okay, and it will maximally reach 150. Okay, it means the lamp is on full intensity, and if you want to turn off the lamp, just press this switch. See, lamp has turned off. Okay, to again turn it on, you can see lamp is gradually turning on. You cannot see it clearly inside the video, but when it will reach to your side, you can understand all these things so nicely. So you can see again. Okay, first need to reach it 150. Okay, then only you can turn it off. Okay, and you can also see I am going to turn on the fan. See, fan is on now. You can also see here in the green light, fan is on. Okay, and again we will press this button. So you can see fan has turned off. Okay, it is actually the manual mode, and now I will demonstrate you your window. Okay, so to control the window, we will need to use these switches. Okay, so by pressing these switches, so let I press this switch, this one. So you can see window is coming downside, and now again I will press this button. So you can see window is going up. See, window is stopped successfully. And again, if you want to take the window, close the window, so press this button. You can also see that is showing. I will press this button, so you can see concentrated here. I will press this button. So okay, sorry, this button. So window is closed. You can see window is closed. Again, I will press this button. See, window D opening. You can see window is opening. Okay, and suppose we are tested each and everything. Now you will need to set a timing. Okay, so for to set the timing mode timer, so you need to press this last button. Okay, this is the menu button actually. So when you press this button, so you can see on the display, see time setting mode. Okay, time setting mode means you will need to set the on time, open time and close time. Okay, so it is asking now open time. Okay, and it is the minutes and it is hours. Okay, to increase and decrease the hours or minutes, so you will need to press this button, and to control the hours you will need to press this lamp button. Okay, so when I press this button, you can see minute is increasing. Okay, if let us set if you keep pressing the button, it will automatically increase. So you can see we will set minute 37 and hours. You can using this button you can set the hours. So you can see hours is increasing. We will set 18 hours because we have to test our window quickly, and after setting on the open time we will need to press again this menu button. Now it is asking to set the close time. Okay, to set again I use this lamp fan button to set the minutes. Okay, so you can see minutes are decreasing, and we will set a close time 38 minutes. Okay, and again using this button we will set hours. Okay, so we will go in the backward direction to quickly set the hours. So, okay, so hours is currently now okay, hours is 18 hours and minute is 38. Okay, and to again to get into the it is actually the time setting mode. Okay, after setting both of the times you will need to press this button. Okay, so you can see now it is in timer mode. Okay, remember in timer mode only the window will turn on and off according to the time. You can see you can also see here open time is 18 hours and 37 minutes. Okay, and close time is 18 hours and 38 minutes. Okay, so exact on this time our window will open on 37 and our window again will close on 38 minutes. Okay, and simultaneously when window is closed our fan will turn on and lamp will turn off. Okay, and when window will open, the fan will turn off and automatically lamp will turn on. Okay, so actually here is a little time is remaining. You can see currently window is closed now. See, currently window is closed now and automatically it will turn on. You can see you can see. Okay, so window is turned on. You can see lamp is on and fan is off. Okay, you can see fan is off and lamp is on. Okay, and after reaching to 38 minutes, you can see here close time is 38 minutes and it is 37 minutes. So some seconds are remaining. You can see window is open now, and after some time window will automatically close. You can see 18 and 38. So you can see only 30 seconds is remaining to close the window. Currently window is open, and you can see fan is off and lamp is on. And during the time setting mode, the button will not work. Okay, you can see button will not work in timer mode. Okay, only this button will work. So you can see, and actually remember that it is a real time. You can see window is turning off because it is 18 hours and 38 minutes. You can see 18 hours 39 minutes. So you can also see fan is on now. Okay, and lamp is off. It means our project is working so fine. Okay, and suppose in case of if the real time clock is not working fine or you want to change, okay, this is very important, so listen carefully. Suppose if you want to change this real time clock, okay, it is actually real time clock. So to change this mode, you will need to press this menu button. Okay, and okay, then after go to time setting mode. Okay, remember when it is asking for the time setting mode, and if you want to change this real time clock, okay, remember carefully, if you want to change this real time clock, and our system must be in the time setting mode. Okay, when the system is in time setting mode, you will need to press this window closing and opening button to set a time. Okay, so when I will press this button, it will ask to set real time clock. Okay, see, asking what? Real time clock setting. It is actually real time. Okay, so for this we will need to set the time. So our current time is 18 hours and 37. You can also increase and decrease it using this button. So using this button you can increase and decrease. Okay, I have set it, and after successfully setting time you will need to press this button. Okay, so you can see our real time clock was set to 18 hours 37, because my country is different and your country is different, so time varies from country to country. Okay, so you can set again. Remember, the menu mode should be in time setting mode, and if you want to change real time clock, so you again press this close Windows button. Okay, window button in this way, and after setting the minutes and hour using this same key, just press this button to save the time, to save the real time clock. See, time is set. Okay, and after setting all the things, so you can set the time, and you can just it is in timer mode. Timer mode means it will work according to the time, and this is the opening time, this is the closing time. Okay, and if you want to control your system manually, you press the menu button. Okay, you can see it is actually manual mode. Fan is off, lamp is off. So I will press this button. Fan is off, lamp is on. Okay, so it means your project is working so fine. Thank you so much, and if you have any queries, found any problem, just to contact me.